Hey, so you want to turn your videos, podcasts, or websites into SEO blogs instantly? Let me show you how OceSha automates content creation from start to finish. This is our blogs library. Every post is stored, it's searchable. You can search for anything that you want. We have a full HTML editor. You can edit the blogs as you want to. We also have a variety of tools that you can use. So you can view your blogs, you can export your blogs, your multiple options, public links, copy to clipboard, share, etc. So we have a variety of features that you can use. You can delete blogs, regenerate blogs, and you can do blog setting changes. So these are all a part of our platform. And so you have a lot of flexibility and capability with the platform. We created really, really nice structured blogs for you. The blogs are automatically created, built to be clean, professional blog layouts. We include images, headers, author information. You can embed a video, which can be played directly within the blog, which creates a lot more engagement. Additionally, we have SEO built into the platform. So we have internal links and external links. We have table of content. We even have the ability for you to go ahead and do lead capture. So I'll show you. We also have a variety of different social media share, meta tags. You can actually capture leads directly in the blog. And so Google loves to see this kind of information or this kind of capability within the blogs. And then we link to other blogs that you create as well. To create the blogs is really, really easy. We make it so simple that anyone can do it. All you do is click create blogs. We show you how many blogs you have left available. This is if you're creating blogs from text or websites. And this is if you're creating blogs from a YouTube video, a normal video upload or audio. You can just go ahead and decide how you want to create the blog. It's really important with AI that you are creating a foundation of truth that the AI can use to personalize the blogs that you create. So that's what we're doing here. So you can create the blog based on your website URL. You can put text that you want to create the blogs from. You can use a YouTube URL. You can upload audio or video or Word document or PDF. So in our example, I'll just create a blog from our website, OceSha.com. And then you can decide how many blogs do you want, whether you want one blog or, the limit is really based on what we have here. So we'll just create one blog for this. You can customize in whichever way you want to. So this is author information and the author URL that will show on the blog. You can decide if you want to have a table of content, really good for SEO, external links, really good for SEO, add tags. You'll notice that these are all really, really great things that you want for your blog for SEO. And then if you want to embed a link, you can just put the YouTube URL here. We only support YouTube at this point. If you want to capture leads, you just have this check, and then we'll drop the lead capture form in the blog, like I showed you before. And then if you want to capture, email information for a newsletter, you can we default by checking those boxes. You can just uncheck them if you want to, as well as the social media sharing features. And then you can go ahead and customize your call to action. So it's that easy. All you have to do is just provide your URL or upload your file that you want to use to create the blog. And then you just click create blog. And then we have our AI agents just jump into action. And then the first thing that it will do, it will read through your content, analyze the content, and then we'll start suggesting ideas regarding what, topics that you can write about, or rather that the AI agent would write about based on your website or your podcast or whatever content that you've uploaded. So this step takes a few seconds, and then it will give you some suggestions. So it's looked at it, and it's suggesting, okay, we can write about these topics. I can just pick one, or I can just type in a topic manually here that I wanted to write about. So I'm going to just pick, let's write about what is OceSha. And then once I select it, I can also go ahead and edit it further here. And then I'll just click continue. And then now it's going to go through and based on the content, again, we provided, and based on the topic, it will suggest some keywords for SEO. And this takes a few seconds as well for it to go through and figure. And so it will now allow you to go ahead and create. We're using, after you've selected your keywords, we use Google Eats Standard, and it will just go through and it will create your blog for you. And so that's it. Once you've created your blog, you can view it, you can export it. And so in this case, or you can go ahead and just copy a public link. So in this case, I'll just download it as a PDF and I can just share it with someone, or I can go ahead and just publish it on, for example, on Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Let's go ahead and share it on Facebook. Let's use our AI to generate a post. Let's copy it. Copy to the clipboard, close, and let's share it on Facebook. And I'm just going to paste the post here. And that's it. You have your blog and you can just click share and you're done.